Welcome back. This is part two of the Found Object Color Wheel project that we are doing for week two. So first part was assembling your color wheel, finding your stuff. So 12 steps. So all of the colors are referenced in the reference images on Google Classroom and the previous video that we watched on Monday. So that is all there. And then now we're moving on to part two. So we took this slide with our color wheel. We made a copy. So you can see over here, I copied it, pasted a slide. So I had another copy of all those images. And now we are going to arrange them. So we're going to apply a little bit of knowledge to our color wheel. So we're going to use these pictures and we are going to arrange them into three categories. So primary, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. So tertiary colors are the ones that you may not have really heard about up until this point. So those are kind of your in-betweener colors. So those are like, red, orange, blue, violet, yellow, green, those kind of colors. So first we're going to start with our primary colors. So primary colors, red, got yellow over here, got my yellow, and I'm going to pull my blue up there. I know I don't want these. Oranges, my orange, yellow, orange, and red, orange hanging out up there. So I've got my primary colors up here. Now I'm going to add a text box. So up here in my tools, I'm going to click the little text box. Add a text box under there. And I'm just going to type primary. Now I want to make it a color that I can see. So here I'm going to change my text color. I'm going to make it this nice bright yellow right there. Center it up. Then I'll move that right under there so I can see primary colors. Now I want my secondary colors. So secondary colors are mixed using the primary colors. So we think, we mix red and yellow, we get orange. So I'm going to grab my orange. I'm going to bring the orange up here. I'm going to move some of these other colors out of here. So I've got orange. I think I can probably get away with making my orange a little bit bigger. I'm going to size it up, grab the corner. We mix red and blue, we get purple. So there is my purple. And blue and yellow, we mix them, we get green. So there is our three secondary colors. And again, I can just take this text box over here, can select it, Control C, Control V. That makes a copy of it. Then I can type in secondary. So primary colors, fun fact, you cannot mix any colors to make primary colors. That is why they are the primary colors. They're the first level of color, foundation colors. Secondary colors are mixed from primary. And then all these other ones, because of process of elimination, these all become our tertiary colors. So we can take these, and I can take my yellow orange, my red orange, I can take my yellow green. This one was my blue green. I have red violet and blue violet. I'm going to take all those. I think I'm going to make these look nice. I'm going to center them up. Yeah, right about there. Now I can again take my text box, copy, paste, and the directions for how to make this slide and the written requirements are all on Google Classroom as well. So those are on there. They're also in your main slideshow presentation that outlines everything we're doing for the next 5 weeks. So now I have my primary, secondary, tertiary colors in there. And make sure that everything looks nice and pretty. There we go. It's centered. So this, now that I have my week 2 stuff done, I'm going to go in and I'm going to submit my slide presentation again in Google Classroom. So then that way it can be checked off. It can stay kind of on track with what we're doing in class. And at this point too, In week 2, you should be able to see that there is week 3 and week 4 assignments as well. So feel free, you're welcome to work ahead on stuff. And if you have any questions, remember you can always send me an email. So that information is found in our main presentation for our home online learning. And again, there are office hours, so you can sign up for office hours. There's a link to do that also on that main presentation. So if you would like to sign up for an office hour slot where we can connect via Google Hangouts, then we can do that. So make sure, let me know if you have any trouble, need any help, and if you need anything at all, please reach out to me.